बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूअर्स। अगर आप लोगों ने ओवरऑल पाकिस्तान से पाकिस्तान नेवी में एज ए सेलर जिस भी पोस्ट का आपने मैट्रिक बेस पर जिस भी पोस्ट का आपने टेस्ट देना है तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए हद से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में एकेडमिक पार्ट के फिजिक्स के वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फिजिक्स के अक्सर एक्सपीरियंस रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन फुल तफसील के साथ डिस्कस होने जा रहे हैं। तो वीडियो का बेकायदा आगाज़ करते हैं। Question number 1. The word science is derived from the dash word. Right answer Latin. The word science is derived from the Latin word. Next question. The study of the structures and properties of atom is called. Right answer atomic physics. The study of structures and properties of atom is called atomic physics. Next question. Physical quantities are divided into base quantities and dash quantities. Right answer derived quantities. Physical quantities are divided into base quantities and derived quantities. Next question. There are dash physical quantities which form the foundation for other physical quantities. Right answer 7. There are 7 physical quantities which form the foundation for other physical quantities. Next question. Question number 1. The length is called dash quantity. Right answer base quantity. The length is called base quantity. Question number 2. Mass is called dash quantity base quantity. Mass is called base quantity. Next question. Question number 3. Electric current is dash quantity base quantity. Electric current is base quantity. Question number 4. Temperature is a dash quantity. Temperature is a base quantity. Temperature is a base quantity. Question number 5. Amount of substance is a dash quantity. Right answer base quantity. Amount of substance is called base quantity. Next question. Question number 6. Area is a dash quantity. Area is a derived quantity. Volume is a derived quantity. Speed is a derived quantity. Force is a derived quantity. Work is a derived quantity. Energy is a derived quantity. Power is a derived quantity. Electric charge is a derived quantity और इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज अ ड्राइव्ड क्वांटिटी। तो ये सारी ड्राइव्ड क्वांटिटीज आपने याद रखनी है। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 15 नंबर पे। द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ इज कॉल्ड मीटर एम। द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ इज कॉल्ड एम मीटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ मास इज कॉल्ड केजी किलोग्राम। द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ मास इज कॉल्ड केजी यानी किलोग्राम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ टाइम इज कॉल्ड राइट आंसर सेकंड। द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ टाइम इज कॉल्ड SEC second. Question number 18. The SI unit of electric current is called ampere. The SI unit of electric current is called ampere. Next question 19 number. The SI unit of temperature of is called right answer Kelvin. The SI unit of temperature of is called Kelvin. Question number 20. The SI unit of amount substance is called mole. The SI unit of amount of substance is called mole. Question number 21. The SI unit of speed is ms minus 1. The SI unit of speed is ms minus 1. Question number 22. The SI unit of acceleration is ms minus 2. The SI unit of acceleration is ms minus 2. Question number 23. The SI unit of volume is m3. The SI unit of volume is m3. Question number 24. The SI unit of force is dash. Right answer n or kg ms minus 2. The SI unit of force is n. So next question number 25. Least count of vernier caliper is dash mm. Right answer 0.1. Least count of vernier caliper is mm में कितना 0.1. Question number 26. Least count of vernier caliper is dash cm यानी सेंटीमीटर। राइट आंसर 0.01. तो जो लिस्ट काउंट है वर्नियर क्लिपर का mm में तो 0.1, अगर सेंटीमीटर पूछा जाए तो 0.01। दोनों आपने याद रखने हैं। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ rectangular. Right answer 2. How many types of rectangular? Right answer 2. Next question. Newton first law is called law of inertia. Newton first law is called law of inertia. Next question. Unit of force is called Newton. Unit of force is called Newton. Next question. The SI unit of torque Nm. The SI unit of torque Nm. Next question. Sound waves are right answer longitudinal. Sound waves are longitudinal. तो next question. Equation S equal VIT plus 1/2 AT2 is dash called dash equation of motion. Right answer second equation. ये आपने याद रखनी है second equation. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन VF इक्वल VI प्लस AT इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड डैश इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन। तो ये मोशन की फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है। VF इक्वल VI प्लस AT इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन VF2 इक्वल VI2 प्लस 2AS इज डैश इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन। ये मोशन की थर्ड इक्वेशन है, तो आपने याद रखनी है। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है अ क्वांटिटी completed described by its magnitude is called scalar. A quantity completed described by its magnitude is called scalar. Next question. A quantity completed described by magnitude and direction is called vector. A quantity completed described by magnitude and डायरेक्शन इज कॉल्ड, राइट आंसर वेक्टर। तो इसमें आपने ज्यादा रखना है। अ क्वांटिटी कंप्लीटेड डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड, स्केलर। आगे मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन इज कॉल्ड वेक्टर। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेंथ ऑफ ए पाथ बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस। लेंथ ऑफ ए पाथ बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द रेट ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ ए बॉडी इज कॉल्ड velocity. The rate of displacement of a body is called velocity. Question number 2, the ratio of displacement and time taken is called velocity. The ratio of displacement and time taken is called velocity. Next question, the rate of change of velocity of a body is called acceleration. The rate of change of velocity of a body is called acceleration. Next question, the force can also change the dash of a body direction. The force can also change the direction of body. Next question, the quantity of motion which passes due to its mass and velocity of a body is called momentum. The quantity of motion which passes due to its mass and velocity of a body is called momentum. Next question, the motion of an object in a circular path is known as dash motion, right answer circular motion. The motion of an object in a circular path is known as circular motion. Next question, when no net force acts on a body, then body is said to be in, right answer equilibrium. Question, when no net force acts on the body, then body is said to be in, right answer equilibrium. Next question, question number 1, the moment of door is due to torque. The moment of door is due to torque. Question number 2, the turning effect of a force is called torque. The turning effect of force is called torque. Next question, the ratio of stress to the tensile strain is called, right answer Young's modulus. Question number, the ratio of stress to the tensile strain is called, right answer Young modulus. Next question, what is a dash conductor of heat? Poor. Water is a poor conductor of heat. Next question, sound is a form of energy, mechanical. Sound is a form of energy, mechanical. Next question, sound travels in the form of dash from one place to another, waves. Sound travels in the form of waves from one place to another. Next question, a spherical mirror whose inner curved surface is reflecting is called dash mirror, right answer concave mirror. Next question, a spherical mirror whose outer curved surface is reflecting is called dash mirror convex mirror. तो आपने इसमें याद रखना है कि अगर इनर कर्व्ड पूछा है तो कनकेव, अगर आउटर कर्व्ड पूछा है तो कन्वेक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली, राइट आंसर 3.0 मल्टीप्लाइड 10 की पावर 8 ms minus 1. द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर अप्रोक्सीमेटली, राइट आंसर 3.0 मल्टीप्लाइड 10 की पावर 8 ms minus 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लाइव वायर एंड द न्यूट्रल वायर इज 220 V. The potential difference between the live wire and the neutral wire is 220 volt. Next question, velocity is a dash quantity, right answer derived. Velocity is a derived quantity. Next question, loudness of sound depends upon amplitude. Loudness of sound depends upon amplitude. Next question, in heat the gas is transferred through, right answer convection. In heat the gas is transferred through convection. Next question, question number 1, the fourth state of matter is called plasma. The fourth state of matter is called plasma. Question number 2, the study of production properties of the ionic state of matter is called dash physics, plasma physics. The study of production properties of the ionic state of matter is called dash physics, plasma physics. तो ये थी आज की वीडियो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक खुदा हाफ़िज़.